eriizooba bw'Abany'eishengyero b'ekigombe kya NRM abaronzerwe baasimbura kuza Kyankwanzi omu ruteerane rwabo aho baramara esaabiiti yoona okurugirira ahari Secretary General w'ekigombe eki bimwe aha birikuza kuganiirwaho n'ebintu ebyatirwe omu manifesto y'ekigombe kya NRM okureeba ngu byaba nibyo byabanza kukorwa n'ebindi.
We have sent letters out and we are open to friends who are willing to work with NRM. This retreat is nothing other than aligning leadership to the key development strategies that we want to adopt as a party. And so for anybody who is working with NRM is most welcome to attend this retreat, and we have sent out invitations.
Oguyayongera yagira ngu ekigombe kya NRM kigwire ahabwo kuba bayeta nabo abatiine ekigombe ninga sheba independent.
Maybe they may not be able to travel in our public transport, and we would like to clear them as they notify us of their attendance. So we are happy that we have sent out invitations to independent members of parliament.
Bitku yaba yaheza kugamba zareta na Minister Norbert Mao, President w'ekigombe kya DP, kandi hatorokwenda kwesimba kwayanira entebe y'obwa Speaker nawo wabayizire kwakira ebirikwetengesa okuza omu ruteerane oru na bwanyuma yagambaho n'abanyamakuru aha nshonga ey'okuza Kyankwanzi.
This retreat to me is about a new consciousness among the members of parliament, that beyond being elected as members of parliament, they are the ones who are going to design the future of Uganda. In other words, they are going to play the role of a midwife. See, a midwife is very important. A midwife brings new life, and that's a sacred responsibility. So my expectation is that that sacred responsibility will become clear to the members of parliament.
Mujjukire nti mu nkola yaffe ey'ebibiina ebingi mu Uganda bagamba the winner takes it all. Era ekibiina ekiba kikuwangudde obukulembeze enkolagana gyekisobola okukolagana n'ebibiina ebirala kisalawo busazi naye kisobola okukulembera kyokka kyokka nga tekirina muntu yenna gwe kyebuuzizzaako era ne kimalako nga cabinet temulimu wadde ow'ekibiina ekirala. Ekyo president akikola olw'okwagala okugatta eggwanga naye nga tekiri mu tteeka nti nno oteekwa buteekwa okuteekamu wa DP mu cabinet yo owa UPC oba ow'ekibiina ekirala kyonna.
Mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kandi oli chairman w'ekigombe kya NRM nowarikuza kwiguraho ruteerane oru izooba erya nyenkyakare gasha kwa Jeme Muhumuza.